Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on AGM H6. Alright, first I'll show you how you can transfer the data from your previous device into your AGM mobile, and then I'll show you how to restore the backup from Google One. So let's begin. As you can see, we are doing the setup process. We need to select our language and then click on Start. Now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Simply select your network and type the password to it. Then click on Connect. Okay, getting the phone ready, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now we have possibility to copy apps and the data. We need to click on Next. Click on Next once again. Now the phone wants us to connect both devices to each other using the cable. If you don't have a cable that fits into both phones at the same time, you can always click on No Cable, just like me. Then click on Copy Without, and we are going to do this wirelessly. Now click on Next. Now on our second phone, we will have to open up the Google app, if I'm not wrong. Or we will have to type to scan the QR code. The Google app. So open up the Google app on your previous device, click on the search bar and type set up my device. Click on Next. Click on OK. Verify the shapes. If they are the same, click on Next. Click on Copy. I also need to verify by drawing my screen lock. OK, both devices are connecting to each other. Okay, now from that list, you just need to select what you would like to copy. In my case, I want everything except the apps, so I will unselect them. When it comes to the things such as Google Calendar, Contacts, Photos and Gmail, they are synced automatically. If you have selected everything that you want to copy, hit the button. The process will now begin, and we will have to go through the setup process. But first we need to wait, again, a little bit. Okay, when Google services appear, simply scroll down and hit on Accept. Now we need to select our search engine. In my case, I always stick to the Google. Then click on Next. Now, if you want, you can set your PIN. I'll skip it for now. It is always available later in the settings. So don't worry if you don't do it now. Okay. Click on No Thanks. We are nearly done when it comes to the copying. So we should be at the end. Alright, copying is finished. Click on Done. We can also click on Close on our previous device. We won't be needing it anymore. And as you take a look, our phone has turned on, and now we are ready to use it. So now let's go with the second method. Again, we are doing the setup process, as you can see. And now when we have possibility to copy apps and data, we need to click on Next. But this time, when we have possibility to use another device, we need to click on that we cannot use it, then click on OK. Now we need to wait a little bit. And now we have the most important part when it comes to the second method. We have possibility to sign in into Google account. And we need to sign in into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. It is really important because if you'll be logged in into wrong account, you won't be able to restore your backup. So sign in into proper Google account. That's what I'm about to do. First type your mail, then click on next, and now I'll have to type the password. Then click on next. If you have typed your password, click on agree. Okay, and now select the backup that you would like to restore. In my case, I want this one, so simply select it. When it comes to Google Photos, Gmail, Calendar and Drive, those things are synced automatically. Now simply select from that list what you would like to restore, then hit the button. The process will now begin. And we just need to go through the setup process. So in here, simply scroll down, click on accept. Okay, now select your search engine and click on next. You can set your screen lock if you want. I'll skip it. It is always available later. Okay. We are done getting your phone ready, so we need to wait one last time. And now, as you can see, we are ready to use our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.